Welcome to Kintas POS. This is the sales order training. Let's get started. First off, let's check our peripherals. Here we have the all-in-one computer, the keyboard and mouse, the cash drawer, and the receipt printer. We also have a barcode scanner that we'll use later. Now back to the system. We are currently logged in with admin account. To perform a transaction, click on Sales Order. Now, to enter an item into the order list, let's scan an item. Before scanning, make sure that the barcode field is selected. With an item scanned, we can see that this is now on the order list on the left corner of the screen. When all items have been scanned, the next step is to enter the customer's payment. Press the Escape button to ready the payment or click into this field. By default, the payment method is set to cash. Enter the amount of cash given into this field. In this scenario, the customer pays 500 pesos. As the cashier, please state to the customer the amount received. As an example,
I received 500 pesos.
Then click Add Payment. Or press Enter. Once the payment is settled, the Complete Sale button will turn green. Before you click Complete Sale, ask the customer if there are no additional items. Once we've clicked Complete Sale, the transaction is officially registered into the system. As we click the Complete Sale button, we are redirected to the receipt page. Click Print Receipt to print. While the receipt is being printed, prepare the change. Tear the receipt sideways and give this to customer along with the change. Click the New button to go back into the sales order page. And that's how to transact with Kintas POS. Let's take a look at the process one more time. Now that we know how to make sales, here are the system's validation processes. Back at the sales order, our first example is a barcode that is not registered in the system. By scanning or entering such a barcode, we receive a message saying the barcode does not exist in the inventory. This means the item must first be entered into the inventory database. Next, we'll enter an item that exists. Here we have an Iron Man shirt. There is a method to enter multiple counts of an item. The format is quantity, asterisk, and barcode. You can also enter the quantity, asterisk, then scan the barcode from the item. In doing so, we've added 4 more into the order list. Next, what happens when we use a quantity that exceeds our inventory stock? Here, we enter a quantity of 3,000 as an example. After submitting, the system notifies that the Iron Man shirt has a limited quantity. In this case, the item stock needs to be updated first before the sale with a large quantity can continue. On our last example, please avoid having spaces, a dot, or a comma on the barcode field. Doing so will prompt this message that the special characters must be removed. That's it for sales validation. Once we're done with the sales, the next step after is cash count, or cash denomination. When the shift of a cashier is done, the cashier can submit the number of bills through cash count. Click on this button to proceed. The page will redirect to a form. Enter the count per bill on these fields. After all bills are accounted for, click Submit. Please note that this will disable the sales order of the cashier until their next shift. Only an admin or supervisor can re-enable if an error was made. With the form submitted, the cashier can now print the cash count and have it signed by a supervisor. Going through the reports module, using an admin or supervisor account, we can use either X or Z reading. Enter the date. Then click on Cash Count. Here, we can see all submitted cash denominations. The user can click on the amount total for a detailed breakdown. And that's a quick summary for our sales training. Thank you for watching.